Dear student, in the first part, you know about judiciary, structure of judiciary, role of judiciary, and two type of cases, civil and criminal cases. In the second part, you know other features related from democracy in democratic country. In principle, all citizens of India can access the courts in this country. This implies that every citizen has a right to justice through the courts. The courts play a very significant role in protecting our fundamental rights. If any citizen believe that their rights are being violated, then they can approach the court for justice. But in reality, courts are not easily accessible. For a vast majority of the poor in India, it is very difficult to approach the courts. Legal procedures involve a lot of money and paperwork takes up a lot of time. Therefore, poor people often avoid to go to the courts for get justice. The Supreme Court therefore devised a mechanism of public interest litigation or PIL in the early 1980s in order to increase access to justice. It allows any individual or organization to file a PIL in the High Court or the Supreme Court on behalf of these whose rights were being violated. The legal process was greatly simplified, and even a letter or telegram addressed to the Supreme Court or the High Court could be treated as a PIL. In the early years, PIL was used to secure justice on a large number of issues such as rescuing bonded laborers from inhuman work conditions and securing the release of prisoners in Bihar who had been kept in jail even after their punishment term was complete. The courts exercise a crucial role in interpreting the fundamental rights of citizens, and as you saw in the above cases, the courts interpreted Article 21 of the Constitution of the right to life to include the right to food. Therefore, order to the state to take certain steps to provide food for all, including the midday meal scheme in the school. The rights of constitutional remedies allows citizens to approach the court if they believe that any of their fundamental rights have been violated by the state. The judiciary has the power to strike down particular laws passed by the parliament if it finds that they violate the basic structure of the constitution. Right to constitutional remedies connects to the idea of judicial review. Court judgment that people believe work against the best interest of the common person. Another issue that affects the common person's access to justice is the inordinately long number of years that courts take to hear a case. The phrase justice delayed is a justice denied is often used to characterize this extended time period that courts take. However, in spite of this, there is no denying that the judiciary has played a crucial role in a democratic country, especially in our country India, serving as a check on the powers of the executive and the legislature, as well as in protecting the fundamental rights of citizens. The member of the Constituent Assembly had quite correctly envisioned a system of courts with an independent judiciary as a key feature of our democracy.